Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Solutions Hub. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out any latest tips and tricks. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to never lose your precious WhatsApp messages, your chat. I'll show you how to never lose your chat. In this video, I'll show you step by step process of backing up your WhatsApp chats so that they are always safe, even if you switch off your phone or if you reset your phone or you lost it, you can still get them back. As we all know, WhatsApp is one of the most important messaging app in the world, and then we always use it to chat with friends, family, or even our the people who work at the same place. You understand? But what happened, like if you lose your phone or your phone got stolen, or you just need to switch your phone from you bought another one, so you want to transfer all your messages to your new phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step and how to back up all these messages so that you you will never lose your chat, your media files, and so many important conversations in this video. So let's start. First of all, let's go to our WhatsApp. Then we click on these three dots here. We go to settings. Then we locate where we see chats. You click on chat. You scroll down. You see where you see chat backup. You click on it. So here you see where you see backup. You now click on it. You click on it. You wait for it. You wait for it. Sorry, before then you have to select Google accounts where to back over your stops. You click on it. You choose, for example, let me choose this. Yes, we click continue. Now we already inserted the email address where our messages will be stored. We now click on backup. We wait for it. And again we also click frequency, like how often the time this backup will going to be taking place. So if you need it daily, it will be backup daily, or if you need it weekly, it will be done weekly, or if you need it monthly, it will be done monthly. So you just choose the one that is okay for you, weekly. So here, if you want to include videos, you just click on it. If you don't want it, you click back. So here, if you want to back up using cellular, your network, it's you can just click on it. Or if you only want to back it up the Wi-Fi, you just switch it off. You leave it like this. So it's your wish what you want, you do it that way. So when you do like this, it will do always without you knowing, to just to always be back up weekly. So but I advise you, if you want to be regularly, you have to just make sure you click this on so that to back up your chats using your cellular. Mostly it used to be in the night around 1:15 to back up. So this is it. You click back up, so it will, you see, now we've already set it up. Now it is doing, you see. But as for me, I will just cancel it because I don't need to back up anything. I don't need it. Fast for you, you can do it. So this is how you are going to do it. Now whenever you have another phone, you just have to just restore it, and this is it. Thank you. See you in my next video.